There are 5 scientific discoveries that broke through barriers stronger than concrete to grow humanity's knowledge and power. Do you know them? Number 1. It provided a crucial hint for Sir Isaac Newton in 1687. This simple act helped him see forces at play that explain the motion of things on Earth and in the sky. Any two objects attract to each other. Bigger objects attract more, and this force becomes much greater as the distance between them shrinks. Newton's law of universal gravitation revolutionized our understanding of the cosmos. We looked at the heavens differently after this discovery. Humanity was no longer constrained by the crystal spheres of medieval thinking. Gravity explained planetary motion, tides, and laid the foundation for classical mechanics. Number 2 is the theory of evolution by natural selection. Charles Darwin's theory of evolution was equally mind-blowing. By carefully studying the many forms of plants and animals, especially on isolated islands where life pursued distinct paths shaped by individuals most able to adapt, he found that any two creatures could be traced back to a common ancestor by connecting similar traits back in time. Any two living forms have a common ancestor. Dogs and cats, for example, are very different to us. But 33 million years ago, the miraceid was the common ancestor. Going up the genetic tree of life, we have a common ancestor with chimpanzees. It probably looked something like this and became extinct 4 million years ago. The theory of evolution explained that all life on Earth is connected, fundamentally altering biology and our perception of human existence, paving the way for genetics, ecology, and advancements in medical research. Number 3 hit the pop charts only 2 years later. The French chemist Louis Pasteur, after many experiments, developed modern germ theory. He proved that foods spoil because of contamination by invisible bacteria, not because of evil spirits. Pasteur realized that bacteria caused infection and disease. He developed a process to prevent wine and beer from spoiling: pasteurization. Germ theory dramatically improved human quality of life and lifespan. The beer with long shelf life didn't hurt either. This led to modern medicine, sanitation, antibiotics, and vaccines. Electricity and electromagnetism is the 4th big discovery. Benjamin Franklin experimented with lighting in 1752, Voltaire created the battery in 1800, but these did not make the list of groundbreaking discoveries. They just didn't have that big an impact. That honor goes to Michael Faraday and James Maxwell, who in 1865 discovered electromagnetic induction, the intimate connection between electricity and magnetism. In simple terms, if you rotate a magnet through a coil, you'll cause a current, like a generator. Or if you apply a voltage to a coil, it will generate a magnetic field, which if you couple with a magnet on an axle, will cause rotation, a motor. Maxwell summarized these powerful truths of the universe with these 4 compact equations. They are the E equals MC squared of electrical engineering, and they opened the door to the electrical age: lights, radio, television, satellite communication, and MRI machines. Our last big discovery was in 1900, and it was a team effort from 4 brilliant minds: Max Planck, Albert Einstein, Niels Bohr, and Werner Heisenberg. They transformed our understanding of matter and energy at the smallest scales with some crazy ideas. Light is a wave and a particle. The presence of an observer affects where a particle appears. Mass can be converted into energy, lots of energy. But experiments were done to check out what they proposed, and it was confirmed in the lab, over and over. Quantum mechanics, the physics of really small things, revealed a greater truth of the universe that we had never imagined. The biggest of these was that everything is made up of wave probabilities. We looked inside an atom and discovered how we could harness it. And this is a big one. Quantum mechanics enabled modern electronics, computing, X-rays, lasers, and nuclear energy. These discoveries not only reshaped science, but also transformed technology, society, and our view of humanity's place in the universe. They are the top 5 because they helped all of us have longer and better lives. Want to know a little more about some of these giants of science? Check out this video.